Hello everyone, welcome back to Edulogos Mind. After a long time, myself Sutapa ma'am came to speak with you. Today, we are going to discuss about the government. Already 2-3 videos I have given you about the government. Today, something more about the government. The national level government, the state level government, and different types of government. So on the screen you are seeing the parliament. Another word parliament is called as Sansad. So you can see the three level of government. The national level. Here on the top you can see the legislature, then the parliament, and who all are sitting in the parliament? The member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha means in Delhi, in central, and Rajya Sabha means in all the states. The member of all the states means Lok Sabha means the MP, Rajya Sabha means the MLA. All the MP and MLA all are sitting in the parliament, the house. They makes law for the country. The second step, three level of government, first, second, third. The second, the executive. Who all are the executive? At first, the president, then the vice president, then the prime minister and the council of ministers. Who all are the council of ministers? The particular department minister who all are helping to guide, to rule, to administer the prime minister. Executive executes the laws, administers the country. Whatever the law implements, they are seen that is following by the citizen of the country or not. Now the third level, the judiciary, completely different from these two levels. Who all are under judiciary? Supreme Court, High Courts, subordinate courts means the district courts. What are they doing? Safeguards the constitution just to look after that people are obeying the laws or not, interprets the laws, protects citizens' rights. This is our India map, and that is the three level of national level government. Now this is the state level government. The legislature, here only the MLAs are, Vidhan Parishad and Vidhan Sabha. Executive means governor, number one position, and then the chief minister, and under chief minister the council of ministers who all are helping to govern chief minister, to administer chief minister in the state. Now the third, the judiciary, high courts and the subordinate courts means the district courts. These are the 28 states in India, and the highest court of all the states are high courts, and the national level, the highest court of India, Supreme Court in Delhi. So this is the state level government. Now there are so many types of government. Who provides power to the government to make and implement laws? In a democracy, it is the people. In democracy, it is the people who elect their representatives, means elect their leader to rule on their behalf. Means on behalf of the citizens, one leader come through the election, and they are getting the membership in as a legislature or as in a Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, and they are leading our country. Means we the citizen of the country give rights to that particular leader through the election, that they can lead us, they can make the laws for the country. Abraham Lincoln, the American president, during 1861-65 was a great champion of democracy. He only told that জন্য প্লিজ আওয়াজ করো না, হ্যাঁ। Now, this is the local government in rural area, means in village area. There are also 3-tier Panchayati Raj, that is in rural area. First tier Gram Panchayat in the village area, village level Gram Panchayat. And here the head is Sarpanch. Next, second, the Panchayat Samiti means the block development officer. Here the secretary of the block is a head working as a block BDO, block development officer, work as a head, the secretary of the Panchayat Samiti. Now the Zila Panchayat means district, Zila Parishad, third tier means district magistrate. This is the rural area 3-tier Panchayati Raj. That is village level, next block level, and the third one district level. And after that this is the rural area, and after that it comes straight Rajya Sabha, means state chief minister and MLA. Now in the urban area it's little different. Cantonment boards, port trust, etc. After that, municipal committees in smaller towns, municipal committees are there, and in big cities there are municipal corporation. The mayor is the number one person in this municipal corporation. And in municipal committees there are so many councillors are there. The head of the ward means a small area. The head of the ward are through the election they become the head, they are called councillor, and all the head of the councillor municipal corporation in the municipal corporation called mayor. Mayor is the number one citizen in big cities, and mayor is elected by other councillors. When the councillor elected by the people, they come in the municipal corporation, and among the councillors they elect the head of the municipal corporation. He or she is called mayor of the city, mayor of the head of the municipal corporation. I hope it is clear. District level. Okay, now something more I want to say about the government, different type of government. I have told you democratic government. Now want to talk about the monarchy government. It is a hereditary system, monarchy government.